For nearly 4 billion years, our planet was primarily home to microbes, bacteria, archaea, and simple eukaryotic cells. Even as multicellularity slowly began to emerge in the Ediacaran period, around 600 million years ago, those creatures were typically soft-bodied, often flat, stationary organisms. They were strange alien-like creatures, but they lacked the complex body plans, specialized organs, and predatory behaviors we associate with animals today. Life was quiet, slow, and mostly unseen. But then something extraordinary happened. In a geological blink of an eye, the animal kingdom erupted. It was a burst of innovation, a biological Big Bang that set the stage for all the complex life that we see today. This was the Cambrian Explosion. Around 541 million years ago, something truly revolutionary occurred. In a period that lasted only about 20 to 25 million years, which is incredibly fast in geological time, almost all major animal phyla that exist today suddenly appeared in the fossil record. This rapid diversification of life is what we call the Cambrian Explosion. Just imagine creatures with segmented bodies, jointed legs, complex eyes, hard shells, and even elaborate mouths full of teeth. These were the first true predator and prey. The fossil record shows a sudden increase in the presence of hard body parts such as shells and skeletons, which fossilize much better than soft bodies of earlier organisms. Some of the Cambrian creatures look quite strange. For example, Opabinia. It was a small creature with a small body size, having 5 eyes and a trunk-like nose that could be used for passing food to its mouth. Or Anomalocaris, a fearsome apex predator with large compound eyes and grasping appendages. So why did this incredible burst of life happen at that time and not earlier? Scientists have several compelling theories, and it's likely that combination of all factors all came together at just the right time. One major theory points to the changes in our planet's environment. Thanks to the earlier Great Oxygenation event mediated by cyanobacteria, oxygen levels in the atmosphere and oceans had finally risen high enough to support larger, more energetic, and more active animals. Another factor was the evolution of new developmental genes, specifically the Hox genes. These are the master control genes that tell an embryo how to build its body plan from head to tail. The duplication and diversification of these genes provided a genetic toolkit for rapid evolution, allowing for the creation of new body segments and specialized structures in a short period of time. Finally, ecological feedback loops played a massive role. The evolution of predators created a strong selection pressure for prey to develop defenses like shells, speed, and burrowing. This evolutionary arms race further accelerated diversification as a species constantly adapted to survive in a more dangerous world. You know, the Cambrian explosion truly reshaped our planet's biological landscape. It set the evolutionary stage for everything that followed, including the very existence of complex life forms like us. Every time that you see an animal with a backbone, an insect with wings, or a mollusk with a shell, you are looking at the distant echo of that incredible burst of innovation. Alright guys, that's all for this video. In the next video, I'm going to take you way back in the Earth history. and explore the origin of life from chemistry to biology. I mean, what happened that at some point in the Earth history, the non-living matter changed into complex molecules that could self-replicate and evolve. It's an exciting video, so make sure to watch it. See you.